Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G77 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll down and find the option Security and Privacy. Then let's go to Device Unlock and tap on Face and Fingerprint Unlock. So confirm everything with your screen lock, and now let's tap on Fingerprint. So here let's tap on Setup, and as you can see here we've got our fingerprint sensor, and all we have to do is to put our finger on it. And now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Okay, so I've got the information that I need to clean it, so let me do it. Let's try again. All right, so as you can see, it might take a while, especially with cleaning between adding specific parts of your fingerprint. So just be patient. And as you can see, ignore the information that you can see on the screen. Okay, finally we just added the fingerprint, so just tap on Done. And this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it. We can add another fingerprint. And here we've got the animation style, so if you prefer to kind of customize it, you can do it just by tapping on the specific option. All right, so now all we have to do is to lock the device and check if it is working. So we cannot really see the sensor on the black screen, I mean on the locked screen. So let me just tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got our sensor. So let me put my finger on it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, and it means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.